Web design and development have evolved so much in the last 20 years. I mean, look at Apple's old website. Just look at how far we've come with design in the past decade. It takes a team of people to launch a polished website, and I'm going to talk about two important roles in that team: web designers and developers. While designers and developers often work together, they generally do different tasks to get a website online. It's possible someone can be a designer and a developer at the same time, but generally, these are two different roles. So what is web design and development? Let's start with an overview of web design versus web development. Web design focuses on creating different graphical elements for online use. Designers may create infographics, ads, logos, but a large focus, and the focus of this video, is on the visual look and feel of a website. Some things web designers generally do are wireframing design prototypes, creating home pages, inner pages, and landing pages, and working with developers and project managers to build and redesign websites. When they work on websites, designers typically focus on how they can create a good user experience, or UX, for site visitors. They may use tools like Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator to create the elements that will make up your site. UX design is an emerging form of web design that's all about making sure everything you create has the user in mind. UX designers make sure websites are designed for different devices and the layout is practical and easy to follow. Designers may have some knowledge of code, such as HTML and CSS, but a lot of their work focuses on a website's appearance. So while web designers focus on the visuals of a website, web developers work on bringing those visuals to life. They'll use different programming languages like HTML, PHP, and Java to develop a website's functionality. This might be things like what happens when someone clicks a button or how the main navigation loads when a user scrolls or clicks on it. A developer may work with a content management system, or CMS, to get your website online and available to users. Some common systems include WordPress, Magento, Joomla, and Drupal. A good portion of a web developer's work is also focused on maintaining websites, so doing things like upgrading the CMS, managing security, and offering web support for any issues that might arise. If you want to improve your website, you should think of web design and development as two essential areas that work together. It's not designer versus developer in most cases. You need both to have a modern website that works well for users. So what does a web design and development agency do? When you hire an agency that focuses on both web design and development, you get the best of both worlds. First, you have a team of people dedicated to making sure your website looks modern and captures your brand identity. And then second, you can be sure your website is going to do what you want it to do. You want an animation on your homepage? Designers and developers can work on that. Want to create interactive graphs that tell a story? Designers and developers can do that too. If you hire a full-service agency, your team will likely include search engine optimization, or SEO, in your web design package, so more people can find you when they're using Google, Bing, or another search engine. SEO is so important because over half of all web traffic is said to come from organic search. To be successful, your website needs to look good, create a good user experience, and be optimized for search engines. A good design and development team will make sure that you meet all of this criteria. Your web design team, typically led by a project manager, will work with you to figure out your needs and desires so you get the website that you've always wanted. They'll take time to understand your business and your competitors so you can be confident your website captures the essence of your company. If you're thinking about hiring a designer versus a developer, why not both? Or you can hire a team of award-winning web design and development professionals to get the job done. To keep learning about web design, development, and other areas of digital marketing, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so that you don't miss a thing. And sign up for Revenue Weekly, our email newsletter, for even more digital marketing insights. See you soon.